This is how Montego Bay treat people. My God, Mr. Prime Minister, I wish you could see this. Now, I've been here since 5 o'clock and ain't had nothing to eat.
Viewers and subscribers, I am here once again with a very interesting story. Now this story has to do with an American citizen who is married to a Jamaican citizen, and they both have a daughter together. This individual's name is David Smith. He is from the state of Illinois, the city of Chicago. He flew to Jamaica on the 7th of August 2020. He landed at the Donald Sangsters International Airport here in Montego Bay. Due to the new strict rules and protocols that are required in order to maintain the safety of Jamaicans and also visitors, David Smith said he booked his ticket 2 months ago through Southwest. He thought that he had already received the necessary requirements and made his compliance. Bear in mind that he booked his ticket 2 months prior to coming to Jamaica. However, within that 2 months period, additional requirements was put into place as it relates to our health to ensure the safety of Jamaicans and also foreigners. Upon booking his ticket, he was not aware of the fact that there has been additional requirements needed. Because David never had all these additional requirements, he was not allowed entry into the country. So what had happened is that he had to stay there in the airport in an enclosed area to wait on the next available flight back to America.
Hi, my name is David Smith. I flew in from Chicago. A miscommunication with Chicago and Montego Bay. In Chicago, we're not in the red zone like New York, Florida, California, Wisconsin. All those places is in the red zone. But because I get up here, they say I had to quarantine for 14 days and take a COVID test. I did all of that. I get up here, I bought my tickets over 2 months ago. I get up here, they done came up with some new stuff. You have to have permission to come to Jamaica. I didn't know it, I didn't see it. Didn't nobody email me or tell me anything about what I need to do. So they locked me up in this room right here with no windows. It's not the cleanest place. Look at this. And I had to spend a night here last night. Look. And I had to sleep. Didn't look at this pillow. My neck broke out. I'm itching like a dog. I can't believe I came here. I asked them to let me stay in a hotel. I would pay for it. I guess they thought I was going to try to run. But this is where they had me sleeping at. And didn't bring me no food. Thank God I had a bottle of water. This is how Montego Bay treat people. My God, Mr. Prime Minister, I wish you could see this. Now, I've been here since 5 o'clock and ain't had nothing to eat. And then I told them I had claustrophobia. At least they did leave the door open. I told them if they close me up in this room, I'm going to have a panic attack and it's going to be a serious problem. So they did leave the door cracked open. But this morning, somebody tried to close it. But this is it. This is my stay in Jamaica. This is where they put me at. All right. Let me see if somebody can do anything about this, because I don't have no problem paying or going to a hotel or anything like that. But this is just the way it is. Here go part 2 of my video. They got some Lysol cleaner here. It's nothing in it. They're just trying to make like this place is disinfected. Here go another bottle in the bathroom. Ain't nothing in it. I'm gonna throw them away, because when you come in here, you think that this place has been sanitized or ain't nothing in these bottles. So I'm gonna throw them away. And my neck broke out. I don't know if you can see that, but my neck is itching from laying on this nasty pillow. Look at that. This pillow should have been thrown away. Look at that. Look, they got garbage up under the, look at the garbage up under the bed. So I had a lady to come in here, and I told her, the pillow broke my neck out. So I'm going to see what's going to happen, because this is totally unacceptable. So the cleaning lady came in, and when she came in, I told her about everything. My neck broke out, and I haven't had nothing to eat yet. All right, that's part 2. Another 2 minutes of this mess. Look at the rusty sink. You know, this don't make no sense. You talking about Corona? What about, look at this. All right, I'm signing off again.
Question: whose fault is it? Is it the fault of the traveling agency in which he booked his ticket? Are they the one who were supposed to notify David Smith about the additional amendment to the requirements needed to come into the country? Or was it the Jamaican government and the airport authority? Who made the mistake? Who made David Smith came here to Jamaica without the necessary required information? And as you can see by the visuals, it is not a place that you would want to be for 48 hours. You can just imagine what David had to go through for the duration of the time that they had him there in the airport, waiting on the next available flight back to America.
Subscribe to Justin Blake channel. Click the notification bell if you want to receive a notification each time a new video is published.